In today's video, we're going over the complete transformation of this bathroom. This is Diesel's bathroom and our guest bathroom. So we wanted to make sure it was done right and it was done beautifully. Now, if this is your first video of ours that you're watching, we did not make this mess. We actually bought a fixer-upper. We bought it for really, really cheap, and we have been working on it and turning it into a beautiful home. Now, this bathroom, that skylight was leaking, so that's what happened with that hole in the ceiling. So we had to first fix that leak and then take that old nasty insulation out and the sheetrock out and, you know, patch it up, fix it, replace it. And then looking at this bathroom vanity set, the sink itself was sturdy. It was in good shape still, so I just cleaned it up and painted it. But that medicine cabinet was really dated and it had to go. Diesel is only 13, so he doesn't have a lot of things to put in there. So we took that down too. Here is, okay, this is called the Stomp and Drag method. Aaron just made this little, I don't know, tool thing out of an old piece of flooring, and he screwed that handle to it. And you literally just stomp the mud up there and then take a putty knife and just drag it. That's how we made it match the rest of the ceiling. So I actually learned something this day, because I was like, it's gonna be smooth over here and rough over there, but you know, that's what I get for questioning him. He knows what he's doing. He used to build houses from the ground up, but he made it match perfectly. And there, see, there's the rest of the ceiling. I would prefer to have a smooth ceiling, but I was not about to scrape all that off. You know, it wasn't worth it to me. I was like, let's just make it match. So he did. And now I still have not went back and put another coat of paint on this, because what you're seeing in this video is we didn't do it all at once. We just kind of did it as we went along, or as our funds allowed us. But that's kind of the journey. Just adding to things, finding cheaper ways to do things. Like, I didn't replace the faucets and stuff. I just spray painted them black. It was like $8 for that can of spray paint. It's waterproof, rust-proof, the Rust-Oleum. So I thought I liked the black metal for his bathroom. I mean, Diesel's a growing boy, so I wanted it to be kind of manly, you know, not girly. I didn't want to do gold. Even the door handles. See, I replaced all the door handles in this house with those pretty black handles. But there's my mama. She helped me through this whole process. She is a worker, y'all. I'm telling you, like, she has more energy than I do. But we bought that Rust-Oleum tub and tile kit. The Lowe's was out, so I just ordered it from Amazon. And it's amazing. Now, mind you, this we did a year ago. We painted this a year ago, a little over a year ago, and it's still holding up. You know, with a 13-year-old, it's holding up wonderfully. But you gotta wear a mask and goggles, I recommend, because this stuff is stout. Like, even with that mask and them goggles on, I still had, because it's so confined in there. You got to get your air. You got to be able to breathe, get that air circulating. But look at the difference. Look at that. Look at that. And like it actually looked white, or like a just slightly off-white in the beginning, but now it's bright white. And now I did end up having to buy this new faucet, you know, shower spout, because the one we had didn't work. But of course, I get everything on clearance. Now this sink, it had, I don't know if you noticed in the other picture, it looks like they had set cigarettes on the end and let it burn. It had all these burn marks all around the corner. But it looks brand new. It still looks brand new. And the tile, I thought about painting this tile too, but I found these really affordable peel and stick tiles at Lowe's. So I just got those. I also found this on sale for $99. It has a Bluetooth speaker built into it. It's the bath fan for the ceiling because the one that's in there didn't work. I thought that was awesome. And as far as these decorations go, I got this thing at the dollar store, at Dollar General. And it had, I think, silver hooks. And I just took them off and spray painted them black. Then I printed these pictures out and put them in some dollar store black frames. And the shower curtain I got from Target. And the rug I also got from the Target. The faucet, I did buy that new because the one that was there was not salvageable. But I thought I'd do like a surfing theme in here. I thought it would be cute. And there's those shelves, those corner shelves. I actually ordered them on Amazon. Now the light fixture, I just took it down and spray painted it black. I didn't put a new light fixture up there. I swapped out the mirror. I had a wooden one and I put that in my bathroom because I found this black one on clearance. I paid $15 for that mirror, I believe at Target, but it was on clearance for $15. And these are the black candles that I got from Amazon. I got that at Target. No, TJ Maxx. That big surfboard is so adorable. I got that at TJ Maxx on sale, of course. That's those soap dispensers. I can't remember where I got those. Definitely not Amazon. Probably Marshall's or TJ Maxx. I found this little sign at Goodwill. That little wooden sign that says "Bring on the sunshine." I was like, well, that's kind of surf theme, beach theme. But there's those handles again. I ordered them on Amazon. I got a pack of, I think, 24 of them. I actually got them for my kitchen, but I had leftovers. So I thought those would be cute. These didn't have handles on them. I had to drill the holes and everything. But I think it adds a nice little accent to them. But as you can see, the sink still looks brand spanking new. Like, I'm telling you, that tub and tile kit is amazing. I put 2 coats on the sink. And after a year of diesel, 12, 13 years old, it still looks wonderful. Still looks brand new. And I just love it. And then we also put tile around the shower. I got that tile on clearance for 24 cents a piece at Lowe's. So we tiled in around, I don't know if you can see that up there. It really just set it off. It was like a finishing touch. But as you can see, I've not finished painting the ceiling. There's Diesel. He cleans his own toilet. He takes out his own trash. He washes his own clothes because I can't do everything. This surf sign, his stepmom made him this little surfboard. Isn't it adorable? I love it. And that towel rack I also got on Amazon. Same thing with the toilet paper holder down here. Love it. On Amazon. I will link all of the Amazon products below. I don't know the specific brands, but I do have the link from my order history. And I will link them specifically below. But here it is. The finished project so far. But you just add as you go. I mean, life is a journey. Everything is a journey. And we just slowly just keep adding, as we find things, we'll add. Like, I need new light bulbs. I got to get him some new light bulbs. They keep blowing. So I'm probably going to have to replace that light fixture. But it's just a process, and it just gets more and more beautiful as we go along. See, we just added that surfboard a couple weeks ago. I found that. Just added that. But the handles, I got those on sale at Tuck's, I believe, in Martin, Tennessee. But there it is. I love it. We love it. We love our journey. Now our next video is going to be our master bathroom. It is big. It was a lot of work. It's still a work in progress. I'm still working on storage and organization in there. So that'll be a completely separate video on trying to organize a master bathroom. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we hope you have a beautiful and blessed day.